Hi everyone, welcome back to Photoshop Quick Hits. My name is James, and again the purpose for this channel, Photoshop Quick Hits, is to provide aspiring graphic designers and artists with quick basic information on how to do some things in Photoshop. And when I was learning Photoshop, one of the main things that I had a problem with is when I go to YouTube, I'd search for some videos and I had such an issue finding what I was looking for. Sometimes I couldn't find what I was looking for at all. Maybe sometimes I didn't know how to type in what I was looking for. And in the search results I found, the problem is a lot of the videos, pretty much all of them, were 6, 7, 10, 12, 14 minutes long. And I had to watch this entire video on how to do something that I knew only took 30 seconds. So that's the purpose of this channel, to try to make quick hits, show you how to do something really quick in Photoshop without having to watch long videos. So I'm going to jump right into this today. We're going to do another way, like I did another video, on how to mask change or delete a single color in Photoshop on your palette or on your layer. Right now what you see I've got in front of me is this Polska, Poland. It's like a patriotic Polish design from the Polish flag. It's a little twist on it. And this is an all red color. This looks fantastic on a white black background or even a black background. But also, if I want to change this to white and put it on a red background, how do I do that? Or vice versa. So what we're going to do here is we've got our layer up. We're going to go over to the left side here. We're going to go ahead and do the mask change first instead of delete to a different color. So we're going to click the paint bucket icon here. And then we're going to change this to, I've got matte black selected, which for me I use as 1F, 1F, 1F. And then we're going to make sure up at the top here, tolerance is set to 32, which is what Photoshop's default is, and contiguous is unchecked. But let's see what happens when we click contiguous. What that does, it only does contiguous pixels. So when we click on this P, we're changing it, click, 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 click. As you see, it gets kind of annoying. And, oops, I hit the back, and so it screws it up. So Control Z to back up what you did. I'm going to Control Z, Control Z, Control Z on the keyboard. So we're going to check contiguous or uncheck it and then click anywhere on the red. This is good because this is all the same color. So this is going to fall well within our color tolerance range of 32. We click anywhere on the red and then boom, it changes it to the matte black instantly. If you want to change it to white, same thing, which is another good color for this. Boom, there you go. And then if you want to see what it looks like with certain backgrounds, you add a layer over here, put the blank layer underneath it by clicking and dragging it, and then go over to your palette over here. Let's just go bright red, and then select the empty one in the background by clicking over here, and then just click on it, and then boom. Now you can see what it looks like in the background. So a mask color deletion is the same thing. You want to, same idea, go over here to the left side to the eraser tool, right click, make sure a magic eraser tool is selected instead of just regular eraser, and then click that. So color tolerance is at 32 up at the top, which is default. This is perfect for what we're doing. Don't worry about anti-alias. Contiguous, again, if we do contiguous, what it's going to do is just going to delete, oops, wrong layer. It's going to delete certain sections at a time. So in order to prevent that, we uncheck contiguous just like we did before when we were changing the color, and then boom, it deletes it. Now in this particular situation, everything's the same color. It's easier to just uncheck the layer or delete it. But if you're trying to erase all of one color because the item that you're putting it on has that color in it, you want that to bleed through, or save money if you're doing screen printing, then that's one way to do that as well. So that's pretty much it for today. This has been Photoshop Quick Hits with James. Please, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and notification bell, so that way you can hit these Photoshop Quick Hits when they come out and you can learn some new things in Photoshop. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day.